Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making beef chow fun. We're going to be using white rice noodles. This is a 16-ounce bag and we're using around 4 ounces of fried rice noodle, and what you do is you soak it in water, and after you soak it in water for around 35 minutes, you drain it and cool it with cold water, and then this is what it looks like. So just follow the instructions in the bag and how you can soften up the noodles. We have half a pound of sirloin beef. We have here 3 full cups of chopped up green onions and 3 cups of broccoli and some sliced up carrots, and it's around half a cup. What we're gonna do is prepare the sauce. Gonna pour this in here and we're gonna get the sauce ready. Okay, so for the sauce, we're going to need water, or you can use beef broth. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, there you go, 4 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, there we go, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, and also 1 tablespoon of pure sesame seed oil. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon, and a half a teaspoon of white pepper. Okay, that's around half a teaspoon. Then you just stir everything all together. Okay, we're gonna set it to the side, and we're gonna season the beef. We're gonna add some garlic powder. Just sprinkle it in there onto the half pound of beef. Turn them around a little bit. There you go. Then we're going to add some sea salt. Turn it around. Okay. Alright, let's start cooking. Okay, it's heated up. We're just going to add some olive oil. Spread the oil around. Now we're going to add the seasoned beef. Okay, we're going to turn them over. Now we're going to take it out. Okay. Gonna put the beef on the side. Now we're going to cook the vegetables. We're going to add just a little bit of oil. And we're going to add the rest of the vegetables. Now we're going to add the noodles. Okay, we're going to add the sauce. Now we're gonna add the beef back in. And stir everything all together. We're gonna stir fry it a little bit to evaporate some of the sauce. Okay, it's ready. Okay, this is what we have today, beef chow fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.